Hey everyone, Jeff here, and today I'm bringing you habit number 15. Now, habit number 14, we talked about basically decreasing or eliminating the sugar and fructose in your diet, all right? And when we're talking about fructose back then, we were talking about basically high fructose corn syrup. Now, what we are talking about today is adding a little bit of sweetness back into your life, all right? Because today, habit number 15 is adding blueberries to your diet. Now, blueberries are great because number one, they are low in calories and they are low in carbs. So if you're trying to lose weight, these are exceptional. The other thing is if you're fighting off type 2 diabetes and you're looking for fruit, this is a great place to start. Now, in addition, almost all berries are good for you in that way. But blueberries are exceptional in the fact that they are loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. All right, one particular antioxidant is called anthocyanins, and it basically is a master antioxidant, helps get rid of free radicals, and helps eliminate inflammation in the body. All right, chronic inflammation causes disease, and you want to squelch that as quickly as you can. And one of the ways to do it is having a cup. I have a cup of blueberries every single day. All right. Me myself, I have a blueberry smoothie. All right. Actually, blueberry strawberry smoothie. But bottom line is, it is an excellent way to improve your overall health. Now, the big thing that I found with blueberries is something actually quite new that they found. All right. And if you know much about me, I'm going to tell you, all right, if you want great, optimal health, you got to get your gut right, all right? Your gut health drives your overall health, all right? And with that said, the new study shows that blueberries actually help improve your overall gut health. In fact, they found that if you eat blueberries combined with a probiotic, remember my sauerkraut, all right, that basically it helps basically fend off and relieve ulcerative colitis, all right? So, once again, like I said, if you're looking for something good to eat this weekend, all right, I'm going to tell you, find you some blueberries, either eat them by themselves, you can eat them in a smoothie, but bottom line is, get them into your diet on a routine basis. It's only going to be beneficial for both you and your gut.